वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानतात. तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावूद आनी भलायकीन. And today I'm going to show you all how to make a Goan Hilsa. This is a Goan Hilsa. See the size, got from Mapsa, so that's why it is not clean. And now we have to remove the scales. So I'm using a fork, and the scale will be now all over. So if you can get somebody to clean in Mapsa there and there, then it is fine. See, all going all over. And I'm cleaning it inside the home is little difficult. Okay, so in Goa we call this Peddi, but bigger size. But otherwise, original name it is Hilsa in Hindi. So what I will make out of this is I will fry and make curry, a Goancurry without oil. So the scales are come. Wash this and then cut this as per how I want. Not all like Hilsa over here in Goa, but it is tasty. आमचे गोंयचे पेडयेची रूच जी आसा, and it is from sea actually. Sometimes you get then you have to cut this sides, all this. This one also. Then it is easy to cut. Then we will cut here. Very difficult to cut at home. With a good knife, and luckily we have one. Got some egg, gaboi. Then how you want, which size you want, that much you cut. So thinner, if you want to make thinner. So 3 I will cut, and then 3 I will fry. And I will make some curry out of this small and this one, the head part. So this I will make curry, and this I will fry. What we need is around, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green chili, little bit of tamarind, and these are around 6 of our Goan chilies, 2 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut, and so this is for our curry, and I will show you how to fry also there. Then we need turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of normal mustard seeds. So this is what we need to grind to a fine paste. So this is our masala. Now for the marination for the curry one, we have to add, so I have applied salt for this, and now I will apply turmeric powder, that is half teaspoon. This is the marination for this fish. This is the curry one, and now we will keep this aside, and then we will fry this before adding to our curry. Now for this, that is fried one, again turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoon, and chili powder we have to add, and chili powder around 2 teaspoons. This is Kashmiri chili powder, so no need of spiciness. Salt to taste for marination, and then we will apply some lime also for this. Without lime it will not taste so good. Some lime juice. And we have to fry this with mustard oil. And leave this for marination. So today's video, 2-in-1, fried and curry. तर आज हांव तुमकां 2 व्हिडिओ दाखयता हेजे अशे पळोवन घेयात. So this recipe is without onion, without garlic, and without tomato. Add a little bit of water to this. So around 1/4 cup of water to this. You don't want very thin gravy. So we'll add salt and keep aside. So I have taken around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to fry my curry pieces, curry fish. So we'll turn this off. This is done. Okay, now we'll keep it aside. Now we'll give a boil to our curry, and then we will add a fish. And it's done. Our Goan Peddi, that is Goan Hilsa fish curry, right? Fish curry, and we can eat it with the rice. And then I will show you how to fry also on this video. So here a boil is come. So now we will add our fried fish to this. Because the quantity is not so much, so just for 5 minutes and our curry is ready. So this I will keep aside on the lower flame, and then I will fry fish now. It's time, lunch time now. Very hungry. And in this same oil we will fry. Little bit I'll add. So mustard oil or Hilsa is always good. And the oil is hot. So we'll fry our fish. Done. The fried fish is also getting ready. Their curry I have covered it and I'm cooking. So now we'll turn this. Try this recipe and do let me know how you like this style. So this is also Goan style only. So whatever I have learned from my grandmother, I'm showing you. So then we will flip flop this. And we will serve this with a fish curry rice. So it's like basically today's thali. Thank you so much. Manta tumka bare lagtele and tumi kodun khatele. Thank you. So here our fish is ready. I'm putting it off, and there is our curry ready. All is done, all is cooked. Now it's time to serve.
Tasty Goan Hilsa curry. Peddi. Yummy and tasty. And our Goan Hilsa fry is ready. Crispy, yummy and tasty to eat. Thank you.
Let's serve our thali. So today's fish thali is our curry. Then we will take some veg. Then our salad or chutney, you can say either. And we will add our fish in this fish fry. Enjoy. Thank you.